Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by like really quick. I got a couple people ask about how to make reels for YouTube. I use Canva, canva.com. This is not a sponsored video, just this is what I use. I go to Canva and then I do a search for mobile videos. So once you do a search for mobile videos, you will get all this selection, just all kind of templates that you can use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of boogie through here and see which one I want to use. And I'm going to probably talk kind of fast because Loom only gives you like 5 minutes free. So I'm going to try to boogie through here. Let's use this one. I like the way this one looks. So you select the template you want to use. Now this is their video. I don't want to use their video. I'm going to use my own. And all these extras right here, I don't need this. So I just click on it and delete it. Click on it, delete it. Click on it, delete it. Click on it, delete it. Delete it, delete it, delete it. Because I only need this one part right here. And all this right here, I'm not going to use this. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. And this I'm going to take up a little bit further and do that. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to use one of my videos that I've already uploaded. Let's use the pearls. That looks like that'll go good with this. And all you do is put your video in here and then you just size it to fit, and that fits, and you see what happened with that. So that's playing already. And then I'm going to use this little part. I'm going to keep this in here. I think that's cute. So we'll keep this. I'm going to change this to like maybe, let's say Pearl Love. It's too big. I don't want to have it like that. So I'm going to go here to where the numbers, to adjust the size for the text. And let's like make it a 75. That looks good. So we have Pearl Love. And then I'm going to go back over here to my images. And I want to grab my logo. And I need to resize this. So I'm going to take this. And I'm going to put this down here. But what I need to do is clear the background out. So I click on it. I go to edit image, background remover. And you do have to have the updated, paid version of Canva to be able to remove backgrounds and, use special features in this program. So I do pay for the premium package. I don't know if it's $15.99 or what the price is, but I pay a certain amount every month for it. Okay, so I got that there. And I like the way that looks just as a YouTube reel. So, oh, and then their music is on here. So let's take their music off. It's right here, the purple. Click on it, take it off, go to mine, and then we'll add my music on here. Now let's play it. Let's see what we but it does have to be 60 seconds. You can always grab it by the side, take it down, make it about 60 seconds, or was it already 60 seconds? Oh, it's basically only 20 seconds, so that's good. So we'll do that. We'll play it. Sometimes Canva just be acting up. I don't know what's okay, there we go. And then that's the video. So if you want to download it and then upload it to Facebook or YouTube, you go to share, you click on download, and then you must have the MP4 video plan. You click download, and then the downloading begins. And then once you download it, which I've already done right here, you already have it downloaded. That's your video. And then you basically take that video and then you upload it wherever you want it. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And I hope you guys like the video. We'll talk soon.